Moving traffic, helicopter 35 November Tango lifting from the ramp. Moving. Alright, we're coming up.
You're clear on the left. Alright boys, listen up. Them two shot a shitload of fucking pigs.
Oh yeah.
Y'all got a lot to live up to on this run. Don't disappoint me.
We came to win.
That's right. I'm gonna need you to play some Creedence Clearwater.
What's that?
I'm gonna need you to play some Creedence Clearwater Revival.
Is that what you want?
Little Fortunate Son. Fortunate Son, yeah. You know, you can buy a little fake switch that goes on the instrument panel, like a toggle switch, and it says Fortunate Son on off, so you can click it on or off. You can also get one that says Chemtrails on or off.
Chemtrail?
Yeah.
Alright boys, make them hot. Place the magazine in the magazine well. Release the bolt. Let me know when you do that. Left side, right side.
Left side ready.
Shoot 2 rounds in the dirt. Left side, 2 rounds in the dirt. There you go. Back on safe, we're hunting, boys, looking for pigs and coyotes. Remember, front of the helicopter is 12 o'clock, back is 6. Call out your targets accordingly.
Copy that.
Got a coyote right below us. Right below, left side.
Yeah, coyote. You're clear, shoot. Come left, come left, come left. Hold your fire, hold fire. Alright, shoot him. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Alright. He got one in him. Hang on.
Alright, ceasefire. Right side, get ready.
Ready. He's right below us.
Yeah, get him.
Shoot him.
Got him in the head. That should be it.
Make sure your weapons are on safe. We're gonna jump over to another property real quick. Go north.
Copy that. Those cows are...
Yeah.
It's hard to tell with the trees. I'm not that trigger happy.
Those are the expensive pigs. Don't shoot those. So this could get pretty intense in here, guys. So if we see pigs, we gotta get them quick. Pigs to the left. Pigs left side.
Yep, got 2 pigs
10
right
o'clock. You got pigs front as well?
Pigs right here in the open.
Oh, it's 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock.
Shoot him before you get to this fence line. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him. Come back left. It's our fence line.
Right side, gonna be on the nose. Shoot him. Oh. Are we clear both sides?
Yeah.
I'm out.
Left side, look down.
Right underneath us.
There you go, dead pig. That other one's in the open about 200 yards out. 12 o'clock off the nose, 200. Could be right in here somewhere. Yeah, right here.
Reloaded.
Left side, look down. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him!
Good job.
Oh yeah!
Way to go, Eric.
Oh, he's
Still running. He got back up. Really? Yep. It looked like he was dead. Well, he was pretty good at recognizing that shit. All right, here we go, right side.
Shoot it.
Get him, Tristan.
Don't do that.
Oh. Yep. He pulled it up that time.
Nice.
Yeah. Pull it in his face.
Actually starting to use steel bullets.
Shoot him in his face. You're a little bit high. There you go. You're a little high. There we go. Fucking splat there. You see that?
I saw that. He did.
So I see a coyote down there. You see him? Right there at 1 o'clock.
Copy that.
What's the deer? Don't mistake it for a deer.
be it.
Pigs on the left.
Oh, he's down.
Pigs on the left.
400 yards.
Straight
9 o'clock. 10 o'clock. 11 o'clock.
Get him. Shoot.
There's a bunch of pigs on the right side too, down in the trees.
Reloading.
He
Right side,
ran
reloading.
behind us.
Right side.
Right side. Got it.
Come on, shoot it. Shoot.
Oh, shit, reload.
Left side.
Your turn, Eric.
All right, ceasefire.
That's our fence line.
You cleared hot. Right side, you ready?
Ready?
Shoot that guy.
Hey. Hot. Oh, shame. I just not hitting him.
Pig right there. 1 o'clock. All property.
Oh,
All
there's a bunch
property.
of them.
Ceasefire.
All property.
Yep.
Ceasefire. All property.
Of course.
We ran them off property. Sorry, guys.
It happens.
I think we'll be all right.
I got one right here at 12 o'clock, though.
Yeah, I'm going to have to put that on right side because the fence line.
Right side, you're going to have to get this one. It's tight.
Copy.
Living like a these parole police files. Sun breaking dark clouds and a vision of you.
All right.
Shoot, what are you fucking waiting on?
Yeah.
All right, left side, get ready. There you go.
That's all right. Oh, there you go. Kill him. Put him down. That was your last round.
Is he dead?
Yeah, he's dead.
Coyote, right side, 2 of them.
Oh, three of them.
All right,
Ready when?
get cleared hot. Get this one at the back here. Oh, good fucking shot. Good kill.
All right.
All right, left side, get ready. 12 o'clock.
All you.
Come back left.
Ceasefire. You gotta get it before the fence. Shoot it before the fence.
He turned him back. Hold on, ceasefire. All right, left side. God damn that motherfucker. Shoot him! Come on, Rick. God damn it. Get him!
You got this.
All right, turn it back. Right side.
Where's that little fucker at?
Right side.
Yeah,
Oh, he's on the left still.
All right, right side, here we go. Watch foot here. Left side.
Oh, he got him!
There we go.
Finally! Holy shit! Son of a bitch.
Making us work for it.
He's rolled his ass up, man. The fucking coyotes will humble you, won't they?
Fuck yeah, they will. No shit.
Alright, gentlemen, time to make them safe. Drop your magazine.
Mag out.
Left side.
Mag out.
Left side, shoot that round. Right side, shoot that round. Alright, tuck back in. We're heading back.
Copy that.
Bowie traffic, helicopter 350, November Tango, 5 miles west, inbound Mountain, Bowie.
That was fun shit, huh?
Oh my God, there's nothing like that.
Most fun I've had upright. Yep, that's for sure.
And Decatur traffic, helicopter 462, we'll extend our left downwind for short approach.